I'm Matt. This is Brother Quinn. This one's called Third Leg Foley. Yeah!
Don't do it!
Do it!
No, don't do it!
Do it!
I'm gonna do it.
Don't do it, man!
I have nothing to live for.
Your wife, she's pregnant! It's twins!
What?
Maybe Big bucks, brother. That's Matt, I'm Quinn, and that was Single Mother. Okay, I'm Matt. This is Brother Quinn. This is called Slapper. Let's go.
Oh my god! Oh, what'd you tell me? What the hell? He's dead!
Hi, I'm Mac. This is Max, and we're totally gonna mess some nerds on Xbox Live. This is new. Okay, let's do this.
What's up, bitch? What's up, nerd? Guess what? I'm gonna totally steal your pet turtle, like expose it to some radioactive material, some Ninja Turtles up in your house, bitch. Yeah,
oh,
you
damn!
like that? Yeah, I love that Ninja Turtle shit, nerd.
What are you talking about? I don't even have a pet turtle. Plus, I think that would kill it.
Yo, guess what, nerd? I saw your mom the other day. Yeah, she had some super ugly pants on. Oh snap! What's it like to have a mom with ugly pants?
Oh god!
I bet it sucks.
Yeah!
I don't mind my mom's pants. I mean, yeah, they're fine. What are you talking about?
Yeah, what's up, nerd? Bet you're like totally like a virgin.
Dude, you're a virgin.
Shut up! Shut up!
I'm just saying the facts, man.
Stop it. It's like, we're trying to do this. You know what? You totally gonna come to your house. Just gonna come to your house and we didn't expect it. He's gonna beat the crap out of you. Yeah, you freaking lame-o dork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What now?
What? Yes, I do totally know where you live. Know exactly where you live. Just come to your house. It's gonna fuck you up. You don't even know. You don't even.
What are you talking about? There's no way you could get to my house. You guys are stupid. What the fuck? What the fuck? Where'd you go?
No! Why? I'm Brother Matt. This is Mac. And we're gotten a little bit tired of, Brother Quinn running around here, so we're gonna get him good, you know what I'm saying? Alright.
Yo, dude, I see your truck. I'm not really sure where you are right now. I actually really don't.
What? Oh my god. Oh, fuck! What the hell? What? Oh my god! What the fuck? Wait, open the door. Oh my god! Oh my god! Go. Yeah, just got done dropping Brother Quinn off the Mexican border, you know what I mean? He's got all those conquistadors down there, raring to go with Quinn, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna cut him to pieces. Anyway, I'm Brother Matt, and that was Spirited Away. Haha, yeah.
Hi, I'm Mac, and this is called Space Jam. Okay. Alright.
Hey, real talk, look, on my life, I'm gonna shoot anybody who touches my gloves. Oh! Wait, what? What is he doing?
Mac, no.
Hey, I made a product.